Hello guys, welcome to the video. It's your boy AU, and today I'm here with Agnes.
Hi.
Yeah, so not too many people out there know that we can get different forms of water from our running tap, alright? But today we'll be showing you how to get ionized water from your normal running tap. Alright, so with less talk, let's get down to business.
Let us rub.
Welcome back guys. So Agnes is here to take us through the operation of the water ionizer and everything to be able to do for you with reference to your health and also your normal daily activities so that's your cleaning and so on. So Agnes, let's get on to business.
Thank you. This is the Energic Kangin 8 water ionizer. This is the actual setup in the kitchen. It takes just about 10 to 15 minutes to set it up. So this is the faucet lever. It can actually be fixed in any kitchen faucet. And this is the regulator for the faucet lever. You can select the tap, the shower, and then the connection to the ionizer. This is the flexible tubes that gives us our water. The top one gives us the alkaline water, while the lower one gives us the acidic water. It's easy to operate. Switch on by just touching the touch screen. So I'll produce the various types of water. We will test them to confirm their acidity and alkalinity. The first one I would like to process is the 9.5 pH alkaline water. So I've selected it, and then you open the tap, and this is how it processes the water. It first passes through the double carbon antibacterial filter, and then through 8 electrolytic plates, titanium plated with platinum. As you can see, we have hydrogen bubbles that comes along with the water, and hydrogen is the strongest antioxidant that you can ever come across. So this electrolyzed reduced water is very rich in molecular hydrogen. As you can see, the hydrogen bubbles coming up as we process the water. And drinking this will have preventive and positive effects on oxidative stress related diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and many more. Now let's test the water that we just produced to confirm their acidity and alkalinity. So this is the alkaline water. This is the acidic water. This is our pH tester. So just a drop in the alkaline water, a drop in the acidic water. This is our pH color chart. This part of the chart indicates acidity, this part indicates alkalinity, and this is neutral water. You can see the color of the alkaline water indicating alkalinity, and the yellow color indicating acidity. You can get 7 types of water from this Kangin 8 and ionizer. Neutral water of pH of 7, beauty water, good for our hair, skin and nails, strong acidic water for disinfecting and sanitizing, and then our 3 types of drinking water: 8.5, 9.0, 9.5. Anytime we produce the 2.5 acidic water, we also generate 11.5 alkaline water.
So to lay more emphasis on the types of water, the strong Kangen water at pH 11 is usually not for drinking, but actually helps you to keep good hygiene due to its strong cleaning effect. It has a good dissolving and heat conducting effect, which can be used in food preparation and also cleaning as well. The next form of water is the clean water, which has a pH of 7. This type of water is free of chlorine, rust, and cloudiness. It's a form of delicious drinking water which is usually used in the preparation of baby food and also taking your medication too. With the Kangen water with pH 8.5 to 9.5, this type of water is perfect for drinking and healthy cooking. It is rich in hydrogen and works to restore your body to a more alkaline state, which is optimal for good health. Now, this water is usually used when it comes to drinking, food preparation, preparation of coffee, preparation of tea, and so on, including the watering of plants, simply because it actually stimulates the germination of these plants. Most importantly, it is environmentally friendly, simply because you don't need to be getting plastic bottled water just to get yourself some good drinking water. So the next type of water is the beauty water, and this water is what I would like to lay more emphasis on. This one has a pH of 4.0 to 6.0. It is usually not for drinking because it's slightly acidic and it is recognized for its astringent effect. It's used for gentle cleaning and beauty care. Most people use it to wash their faces due to its astringent property of acidic water and are effective in toning and firming your skin too as well. They actually pass the skin and leave it to dry. This water is also excellent as a toner after shaving. Most people also use it in hair care. They use it instead of the conditioner after shampooing. It reduces annoying tangles and brings out a radiant shine in your hair. You keep it in a spray bottle and spray your hair and face when you're out and about. Most people also use it for pet care. You can spray your pets with the water and brush afterwards to obtain a soft and shining fur. Most importantly, this type of water is used in the storage of frozen foods, simply because it doesn't make it lose its flavor when it's thawed out. The next type of water is the strong acidic water with pH 2.7. This water has good disinfectant properties, therefore it's usually used in cleaning and disinfecting utensils such as knives, cutting boards, and also dish towels in the kitchen as well. And this and many other things too on the other side. When it comes down to hygiene, you can use it to disinfect your hands, your toothbrush, or your mouth whenever you need to wash your mouth. And also, you can keep it in a spray bottle in a bathroom or anywhere for easy access. It can also be used commercially as places such as beauty salons, hair salons, restaurants, agricultural colleges, daycare centers, pet shops, and also nursing homes as well. Alright guys, so basically that's all we have for the water ionizers, and we learned so much from the water ionizers with regards to the health benefits and then the various types of water we can get from the water ionizer. Alright, so if you want to get one of these beauties, I think you should reach out to Agnes, or do you have any social media handles you like to?
You can reach us on Water Therapies on Instagram and Facebook.
Alright, so Instagram, Facebook, you have it. Okay, and then you see the handles in my link and down below too as well, so don't hesitate to reach out to us. And please, I encourage you guys to like our videos, please share, and then do also leave your comments in the comment section too as well. If you like the video, please hit the subscription button down below. And thank you very much, and see you in the next video.
D, right? D.